Hello, this is a free sample by MYHOZEE, and I chose color white. They also have it in a darker color. I like the lighter shade, and it's a vegan leather purse. It's a mini purse, so it has this beautiful flower here. And I like to say that it's small but very practical. You can fit anything you need. If you need something small and you need to go something just grab and go, this is the perfect one for me to grab and go. I just got it, as you can see. This is how it looks. The handles are very strong, so you don't have to feel bad if you need to like just grab it here, or you can use it around your shoulder. And this is very resistant. This is very strong, and I like it that it's thick. It's not like it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels like a great quality. So this is how it looks inside. It has two pockets, front and back, and this is how it looks. It looks so pretty. I just feel that it's so cute. So this is also great for a gift. And I want to tell you, avoid sharp objects. Don't put any chemicals. Obviously avoid any writing, or if you're going to put a pen, make sure it has the cap so the ink doesn't stain the leather. And just if you need to clean it, just do it with softly with water. And don't use anything sharp. Avoid putting any liquids in it. Just take care of it because it's so beautiful, and it's just if you use it as a crossbody, it's just very nice to match it with different outfits. And like I said, this is very strong, very durable. So I overall, for the price and everything, I believe this is a great buy. And the other color is also very nice. So I hope you check them out, and thank you for watching.